Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the house or the brand of Orientica. Orientica is another branch of the house of Al Haramain, and they are quite well known. They don't need introduction. They are one of the biggest, if not the biggest, fragrance perfume houses from United Arab Emirates, and they have a superbly versatile and huge lineup of perfume portfolio in their lineup. So this one in particular was sent by Orientica to me to review, and this, I think I'm the first one to do it. This one in particular called Orientica XO Xclusif Oud. This is the line, and then this one is Extrait de Parfum and it's called Rouge. There is another one called Sport, not to be mistaken with this one, because that one is a red color as well. From this line, the line of XO and Xclusif Oud, and these are 60 ml, I think. Yeah, 60 ml Extrait de Parfum. Yeah, 60 ml Extrait de Parfum, and retail around £100 in United Kingdom. So let's do the unboxing and see what is this one is all about. But before I do that, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your help, your motivation, your encouragement will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Your finger can do wonders. You can like, subscribe, share this video with others, comment. All these things will help the channel, and I appreciate that. Thank you very much. So without further ado, look at this. If you hear any background noise, I apologize. My neighbors are still having their building works. It's been like 3 months since 3 months ago, and I'm really fed up of it, but what can I do? So I apologize for that. So it's a red color, very very beautiful, thick plastic box. Very very beautiful, look at that. And it opens like this. Look at the coloring, beautiful. As always with Orientica and Al Haramain, they have beautiful presentation, especially for a price. Okay, gorgeous gorgeous color, superbly red. So this is one of the deepest red I've ever seen. The cap is a very very heavy metal, and it says Orientica on top, and the atomizer, here we go. Very very good atomizer. So here we go. First impression for Extrait de Parfum, 60 ml, and this is Orientica from the Xclusif Oud line and XO, and this one is called Rouge. Here we go. First impression. Another Baccarat Rouge inspired fragrance. Wow, you know what I mean? We have about maybe 300 of them out there, but this one is done to perfection. Is almost identical to it. It's very very dense, it's very thick, it's very very basically Baccarat Rouge Extrait de Parfum, which is around £600-700 for a bottle of 100 ml, and this is a 60 ml of it, and it's around 100. So you do the math. If you are a big fan of Baccarat Rouge, the Extrait de Parfum, this is for you. I myself like the DNA. I enjoy it from time to time, but I'm not crazy about it. But I understand some people do. It's like Creed Aventus for me. I'm a big fan of DNA of Creed Aventus, but I understand some people don't. So this one is the reverse. I'm not crazy about it. I'm not a big fan of it, but I understand why people like it and why they are fascinated by it. So it's very very good quality here. Yeah, I can smell very floral backbone to it. It's very very dense, very thick, it's very gooey, it's very resinous. Yeah, I can smell something green in the background. and also it's a big jasmine in here. It's a very floral right now. Okay, smell big citrus right now. It smells like orange, or something like mandarin orange, something like that. It's very zesty and very orangey. It's like an orange peel basically. It's got a little bit of bitterness to it as well. It's like an orange peel with the basically the skin itself is that good. It's very juicy. Okay, smell big saffron. It's making it that spicy, gives it that feel of spiciness, and also it's about that leathery feel to it as well because of that saffron, giving it the leather and giving it the punch, spicy punch to it. So it's very good for that. It's very rounded, it's very smooth, it's very buttery, it's very well done. Everything is balanced, nothing out of place. The perfumery is one of the highest quality you get. So for that, amazing. But you need to like that the DNA of Xclusif Rouge, obviously, to enjoy this. If you like that, then this is a big treat for you, because as I said, this is very close to Xclusif Rouge 540 Extrait, the Parfum version of it, and this is very close to that one. I can smell big amber. The amber here is very deep, it's very dense, it's very thick, it's very resinous. So overall, they've done a very good job here. Obviously, this is 25 and up, to be on the safe side in terms of age. In terms of versatility, this is superbly versatile, but it's a little bit better suited for dressing up, evening, formal occasion and things like that. In terms of occasion, or in terms of season, this is better suited for cooler weather, but if you control the trigger, you can wear it in the summer, but not the very high heat, because in the high heat I think it will be cloying. So in summer, less spray. In winter, more spray. Obviously, because this is Extrait de Parfum, you don't need much of it anyway. I put almost 1.5 spray, and it's filling the house, it's filling the room, it's gone crazy. So it's very dense, it's very thick. That's why I don't think you need more than 1 or 2 of it. Maybe 1 on the chest and 2 halves on the neck, and that's it. It will last you. Well, I have to report back to you in terms of performance, but going by the ones I did before, they were all 12 hours plus. So because it's Extrait de Parfum, is very thick, so this one is going to be similar to those ones, but I give you the update anyway. Yeah, it's got a sweetness to it. It's like a little bit of burnt sugar coming from the vanillic feel. So it's it's not very sweet, but it's quite sweet. In terms of sweetness, between 0 to 10, 10 being the sweetest, this is around 6 to 7. So it's quite sweet, but it's done very well. It's not out of place. The sweetness goes with everything else in here. So overall, done to perfection. Beautiful presentation. The smell is very good. The quality is amazing. Everything is so far so good, but I have to let you know in the next video about the performance development and things like that. But the gist of it is Xclusif Rouge Extrait de Parfum, which is retails I think about £700. This is about £100. You do the math. If you are a big fan of that DNA, this one to me is no-brainer. Okay guys, thank you very much as always for joining me. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, don't forget to hit those buttons. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, they're out of this world. They are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the links as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye.